I don't understand the man in that White House because he talks so much about Charlie Kirk and caring. Mm-hmm. And suddenly, this is what he puts out. Yeah. Have you no shame? Mm-hmm. No shame at all? Mm-hmm. This is can you get any lower? I don't think so. And what do you have to say about what's happened around the world? Where is our voice as Americans? Somebody's got to speak up for us. Our hearts are breaking through all of this. Through Rob, through what's happened at Bondi Beach, what happened at Brown, and you don't find the time to say, as Americans, we hate what's happening. You ain't my president, man. We'll be right back.